Hey guys, Rob Caputo here, and I'm kind of excited about this lunch that I have scheduled today at 2:30. It's Din Tai Fung, and it's a Chinese restaurant in Midtown Manhattan, and it's 1633 Broadway in New York, New York. And they have locations all over the country, but this is the one that I'm going to, and I'm going to check it out. And supposedly they're very famous for their noodles and their homemade dumplings that they have there, the sweets and the regular dumplings. Soup dumplings, all that kind of stuff. So I'm excited to go there. It's supposed to be really, really good. I think they have a location in Dubai, of all places, and I'm really kind of excited to learn a little bit more about it, to get out there, kind of check out the atmosphere. It's, like I said, it's right in the middle of Broadway, Midtown Manhattan, and I'm really curious to see how this turns out. So I'm kind of hungry, so let's hope it tastes good. Talk to you in a little bit. Din Tai Fung, Taiwanese restaurant. Can't wait to try their food. Right here in Midtown Manhattan. Very cool. On the corner of Broadway and 51st Street.
Might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too. Might be the one that truly got me.
Yeah.
I feel it too. I feel it too.
It looks like a
Might be the one that truly got me. I feel it too.
Cheers. Oh man, that looks so good. Now this has chocolate in it, so I'm like wondering if it's like a hazelnut or just like pure chocolate.
Yeah, be careful. I'm wondering
Hot?
if it comes out like liquid lava.
Oh my god,
Oh, it's fucking hot.
that's so good though. Alright guys, so I came back from the restaurant and I just wanted to give some conclusions, you know, some of my final thoughts. It was an excellent environment, beautiful location, easy to get to. There's parking all over the place. It's right in the middle of like basically Midtown Manhattan near Times Square. You could basically find parking anywhere in the area. I can imagine on the weekends it's going to be a little bit more difficult to get parking, but honestly it wasn't bad. I think there's plenty of parking there. So let's start with the appetizers. I did have the cucumber salad. That was pretty good. A little spicy, not bad at all, but it was very good. We also had, I'm trying to remember what else we had. We had the soup dumplings, right? The pork soup dumplings, the Bao. So just fun fact, you know, the character that's their mascot is called Bao Bao, and it just comes from the Bao, you know, dumplings that they have, you know, and Bao Bao, I believe, means a term of endearment in Chinese, believe it or not. So, I mean, there's a couple different variations of the meaning. I mean, some people think Bao Bao is just simply the dough, and then obviously a term of endearment. So either way, you know, it's in good vibes. The dumplings themselves, we didn't have any of these dumplings, but I definitely want to try them in the future. We did have the pork buns. They were huge. They were like the size of your fist, and it was just easy to pick up. The dough was pretty thick. If you like a thick dough, it's definitely on the thicker side. The pork dumpling itself, the pork in it was very fresh, very well made. We also had, I'm trying to remember what else we ordered. We ordered a few different things because we wanted to try stuff out. The noodles with sesame sauce, that was really good. I showed you a picture of that one, but that was really good. It was a little bit on the peanut buttery side because it's got, you know, like some sort of peanut in it. So if you're allergic, definitely ask the question if peanuts are involved or even anywhere near the food that you're eating. But it's something to take into consideration. This was a little bit on the spicier side. I probably would have tried something a little bit different. Maybe, I'm trying to think, probably the noodles with the minced pork. I think I would have tried that one. I'm going to try that one next. And the chicken fried rice we had, that was excellent. Very bland. You would think it was bland because of the way it looks, but it's not. It's actually got a lot of flavor, to be quite honest. So I like that one a lot. Brought some leftover home and ate that as soon as I got home. You can get stuff a la carte. The drinks were really good. The black tea, boba tea that we had was really good. And then the desserts, they were out of the world, right? Out of this world. The chocolate bao, it was this one. It was the chocolate bun, actually. That one was incredible. You know, it was like this chocolate bun with like a lava, like a hot lava chocolate inside of it, and it was incredible. I mean, it was really good. No, fantastic. I highly recommend that one. If you don't like chocolate, there's other ones like the red bean one, and there was something else. But anyway, that was incredible. the beverages like I talked about. I mean, it was just an incredible experience, you know, and you're never going to be disappointed, and there's so much to choose from. I don't think you're going to be disappointed at all. So I highly recommend it. I would go out there and check it out. Give this place a shot. Highly recommend it. So I'll talk to you soon.